Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy stock in eToro. First, you'll need to open and verify your eToro account. This usually involves providing some personal information and identification. Once verified, fund your account with a minimum deposit, which is often $50. After your funds are available, head to the Discover section to begin exploring the wide range of stocks available for purchase. Finding the right stock is easy on eToro. You can use the search bar at the top to directly look up a specific company by its name or ticker symbol. Alternatively, browse through various categories like tech or healthcare to discover new investment opportunities. Always take time to review company profiles, historical charts, and any available analyst ratings before making a decision. Once you've chosen a stock, click the Trade button on its dedicated page. Here, you'll enter the amount you wish to invest. You can start with as little as $10. It's also wise to set stop loss and take profit orders. These tools help manage your risk by automatically closing your position if the price moves beyond your set limits, protecting your investment. After buying, regularly monitor your portfolio to track the performance of your stocks. Market conditions can change quickly, so staying informed is key. Consider diversifying your investments across various assets to spread risk and potentially enhance returns over time. Remember, a balanced portfolio is often a resilient one. Also, for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing product and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.